Boost is a feature that provides Hootsuite customers with a simple way to amplify their Facebook page posts right from within the Hootsuite dashboard. Boosting improves the impact of top-performing organic content by automatically adding spend to that content, helping it reach its full engagement potential, all while saving you the time of manually searching for suitable posts, then boosting them with native tools. To set up Hootsuite Boost, click the Boost option within Hootsuite Publisher. Next, authorize your Facebook ad account by logging into Facebook through the Hootsuite dashboard. You can opt to log into multiple accounts or Facebook pages. Once you've authorized your accounts, use the drop-down menu to select the account and page you'd like to start boosting. Hootsuite Boost automatically makes suggestions for your social media goal, triggers, audience, and budget. So, if you're new to social advertising and are unsure where to start, simply click to start boosting and let Hootsuite manage the details. Otherwise, you can make manual adjustments. Start by choosing your social media goal, either engagement or website clicks. If your goal is to promote a specific event, e-commerce, or drive signups, choose website clicks. If you're looking to promote your brand and content, your goal should be post engagement. Below, you can select the best types of posts to promote and adjust requirements. For example, that posts should have over 20 likes before boosting. Another way to select posts for promotion is based on URL parameters. For example, you could also choose to promote posts that link back to your company website. These are referred to as triggers. If you ever want to adjust your triggers, they can be accessed independently from the boosting review page. Next, choose your target audience. In the advanced targeting section, you can also specify interests, location, gender, age, and relationship status. We recommend that you target followers of your page and their friends. Finally, select your budget. You can opt to create a total budget for the duration of your campaign or allot a specific amount for each day of the campaign. With all your adjustments complete, click to start boosting. You'll be taken to the Overview tab. Here, you'll also be able to see details of your Boost campaign, including the amount you've spent and the resulting clicks. You can expand a campaign to see which posts have been boosted, or click to pause or restart the campaign. You can also adjust your monthly spend or create a brand new Boost campaign.